Oh, girl. Oh. Oh, wait. Where's my phone? It's harvest day. It's harvest day, babe. It's harvest day. We gotta go pick our crops. Come on, let's go. Let's go pick our crops. It is harvest day and I need my special outfit. It's day 84. Gotta represent for the home team. Mr. Moss, let me borrow your jersey for a second. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Mr. B checking in, and the B stands for budgets. Today is harvest day. Today is day 84. And you know, I'm repping my guy Randy Moss's jersey. NFL legend, West Virginia legend. So I had to rep for the home team. But yeah, I'm picking my crops. I ain't gonna hold y'all long. I'm trying to make it as quick as possible. I'm gonna go out here, I'm gonna pick them. And we're about to bring them back inside and see what we have. It's funny, just 2 days ago when I uploaded that video, the day 82 check-in, everything was green. It seems in these past 2 days, today's 84, the last day was 82, it seems like everything's brown. Everything's starting to die. Everything's starting to turn brown and dead, so I just figured that must be a sign that means it's over. The growing season has come to an end. So I'm about to officially wrap it up. I actually might leave some of them out there and just pick some. I think I'm gonna pick my corn that I believe is ready, and I still have new watermelon popping up, so I'm gonna leave the new watermelon out there and see if they become anything. Let's see, let me get my glove, and I'm gonna get a basket so I can put my crops in, because I'm a real farmer. Let's get it. Hey boo boo, get the picnic basket. Hey boo boo, get the picnic basket. Alright, I got my basket. Hold on, let me get some shoes on. And just as I step outside, I was almost attacked by wasps. Looked like they're building a nest up there. I'll have to put an end to that. Y'all might as well stop right now. Y'all are not gonna be able to finish that. Not in my house, nope. Alright, got my gloves on. Got my picnic basket. Let's get to picking. So as you can see, as I told you, everything's starting to turn brown. And just 2 days ago, oh, this was green. Like, remember I had the little shot inside my corn? It was like, hey, yeah, I have corn. Now everything's starting to die and, you know, turn brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick. I'm gonna go ahead and start picking. Let's see. Corn right here. That one has a little. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one. Do I just pick the corn, or? Oh no, they got ants. My corn got ants on them. No. Give me my corn. Yeah, let me go ahead and hurry up and pick this stuff, because the ants are starting to get it. Yeah, I guess I just pull the corn like so. See how much corn I'm gonna go ahead and pick everything. Oh well, shoot, that whole thing just came up. Oh, these are small baby corn growing. Let's see. There's a big fat juicy one right here. It's a good size one. And this is all the corn from last year. I'm picking corn from last year first. I guess I really don't have to be careful if I'm gonna just go ahead and I guess I can get violent and, you know, bend them and do all of that. There's one. Where's that fat one? This fat one's over here. Check that one out. Bro, I got corn for days. Ew. That's what that is. That's corn. Hold on. Remember that white thing I showed y'all the other day? That's corn. Ew, I hope my corn don't look like that. I guess those are corn kernels. I thought they were like spider eggs. That's nasty. Let's see, what else can I pick? These right here, these are too small. I don't even want to waste my time picking these. Yeah, I don't even want to pick those. Big dogs only. On this one, I ain't really had too many. I got a little skinny one right here. That's a skinny. Pick it. Oh, that whole thing came on up. That one probably wasn't ready to, because that one still had green. He probably still had a little time left. But oh well, I picked him anyway. He was green. Oh, and this is the corn from this year that I'm picking now. Well, let's go ahead and pick all these. Ain't nothing in there. I ain't picking that. Pick that one though. Yeah, that one had a lot of extra at the bottom. Let's see what else I got. Where's the rest of it? Alright, here's one. There's a few of them actually. Grab my basket, bring my basket on over. Let's see, is there any more corn worth grabbing? Anything else hiding? There's one right here, but I don't think he worth getting. This one, he ain't worth grabbing. Oh, no, I think that's it. I think that is all the corn that is worth harvesting. Come back over this side, check. He ain't worth gritting. And those are small. Actually, let me go ahead and pick this one here. So that was a small fat one right here. Alright, so that's all my corn, and I'll be back for part 2 for my watermelon. Probably do my watermelon tomorrow. Even though I am starting, I just want to let y'all see this watermelon here starting to get bottom right. My bad, something was on my arm. And you know, I don't do well with bugs and all that. But yeah, this one watermelon here is starting to rot. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick these tomorrow. I'll be a part 2 harvesting the watermelon. And I'm gonna taste the watermelon. I don't know if I'm gonna taste the corn because you gotta cook corn. I'll probably put this corn in the refrigerator. You keep corn in the refrigerator, right? Or in the freezer? Or do you just set it in the pantry? I don't know. I'll look it up and see. Okay, so I got my corn, and the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and wash them off because, you know, they're outside and a few of them had ants crawling on them, and who knows what else is crawling on them, and actually on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash them off. I guess I'm gonna wash them off with the husks still on them. Yeah, I guess. I don't think you husk them until it's time to cook. But I am gonna husk one of them and actually see the kernels. So yeah, let's go. Oh, this one's actually, hold on. This one's actually going ahead and opening up. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I can see the kernels on this one. You can look. Okay. Okay. I see you. Kernels come through. It didn't finish developing. I guess I should have left them out here a little bit longer. Cool. Looks like a piece of half-eaten corn. I'm satisfied with that. Because, you know, probably what they do in the stores, because they rarely sell corn this long. You know, it's usually cut up. So, probably cut that off and cut that off. Outside of that, I got a good piece of corn. You see? That's good corn right there. I'm satisfied. So let me go ahead and wash the rest of this corn. I guess there really ain't no need for me to take the rest. I guess I don't know. Do I have to freeze this now? Let me go ahead and drop this in the freezer. I guess I'll freeze it after I finish washing all these. Alright, so I have another one that's basically already peeling off, so I'm going to go ahead and peel. The first one, that came from the corn from this year. I believe this one came from last year's. Look at this. That's a whole corn kernel, a whole corn cob. Everything except for the end finished. But hey. I will definitely, ooh, and it smells like corn. It smells like good fresh corn right there. I wish I could smell this. Look at it. Good, even, strong kernels. Very satisfied. Okay, so we see that I actually have corn now. Let's get an official count. First, let's start with last year's corn. 1, it's a little baby one. 2, also a little baby one. 3, 4, 5. This one's a good size one. Feels like it's not done up here at the top, as I assume all of them aren't all the way done at the top. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the one I peeled. No, wait, was that 9? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is number 8 right here. This is probably the best one. Well, the best one. Well, I want to peel it too, but yeah. It's 8. And then this year's corn. It's 9. Alright, I'm probably gonna have to set these in water because I still see some ants moving around, so yeah, probably just gonna have to drown these guys out. It's 9. It's 10. 11. 12. 13, 14, 15. Oh, and 16, the other one I peeled. Oh shoot, there's lots of ants on that one. Hold on, put that one back in the sink, buddy. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my first corn harvest. Can't wait to put these guys on the grill. I got me some homegrown corn. Now, something I just thought about. The growing season in Georgia is between April to July, right? And the Pilgrims, they came in the fall, and they were growing corn and all that. You know, the Native Americans were showing the Pilgrims how to grow their corn and all that the first year. My thing is, how did they keep it fresh from July, August, all the way till Thanksgiving in November? Am I gonna be able to keep these, am I gonna be able to keep my harvest fresh until Thanksgiving? Am I gonna be able to eat this corn Thanksgiving? They didn't have freezers back in the day. Or electricity, I don't think. Did I have electricity back then? Christopher Columbus and all that? 1492? Nah, I doubt it. How do they keep things fresh? Makes you wonder. Well, come back tomorrow or sometime later this week and I will harvest the watermelon. I'll probably actually do a taste test of the watermelon because I'm not tasting this corn because, well, one, you have to cook it, and two, you know, already seeing the bugs on the outside of the corn. I ain't really with all the bugs and all that. So watermelon, you just eat the inside and it doesn't really matter what happens with the outside. So that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Bye guys.